Learning is fun with Learn Easy Swayam. Like, share and subscribe the channel. Learning is fun with Learn Easy Swayam.
Welcome back, friends, in our channel Learn Easy Swayam. If you really want to prevent yourself from losing marks in your board examination, then what needs to be done is just press the bell button and subscribe our channel to get the further updates. And today we'll start our session with the appreciation of the poem You Start Dying Slowly by Pablo Neruda. As if I'm going to repeat the same appreciation scheme or the marking scheme for your appreciation of the poem. जसं की विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्हा सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे कवितेचे रसग्रहण हे आपल्याला 5 मार्कांना येते. तर कवितेच्या कडव्यांवरनं जे प्रश्नांची उत्तरं विचारली जातात ते 5 गुणांसाठी असतात. म्हणजे 10 मार्काचा पोएट्रीचा जो प्रश्न आहे त्यातले हे हक्काचे रसग्रहणाचे 5 मार्क आपण खूप सहज मिळवू शकतो. ही मार्किंग स्कीम जी आहे ती मी माझ्या कित्येक मागच्या कवितांच्या ॲप्रिसिएशनमध्ये रिवाईज केलेली आहे. जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. Today we'll start with our appreciation of the poem. So for that you have question in the following format. Write an appreciation of the poem with the help of the following points. You start dying slowly. This is the same picture of your poem which you have in your textbook. Title, You Start Dying Slowly. The poem is written by Pablo Neruda. Now it's up to you whether you want to write it in a complete sentence or just name of the poet. Theme or the central idea of the poem. We must pursue our dreams, passions. We should travel, meet people, avoid routine. We should live life at its fullest spectrum. If we suppress our wishes, hobbies, we will start dying slowly. Risks, dreams and challenges are the sign of worthy life. Or if you want it in a more easier manner, then see the other central theme of the same poem. If you do not move with nature or with life, you're going to die slowly. One is the final death that is inevitable, but this is the slow death, and that this is your choice. So live your life with full potential, smiling, dancing, singing. Rediscover yourself is the simple meaning of the poem, and you can utilize it as a central idea also. Rhyme scheme. There is no rhyme scheme for the poem as it is written in the free verse. Rhyming words. Obviously no rhyming words because the poem is of free verse. Repetition is the only figure of speech which is repeated in the free verse poem, because you start dying slowly. The same sentence or the same 4 words are repeated again and again in the poem. So here we have done with our appreciation of the poem. Friends, kindly subscribe the channel and get the further updates. Thank you.